What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over our friend XRP. Currently we're seeing at 49 cents, up 2% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 26.26 billion. 24-hour volume, 936 million. XRP has broken this trend line. So there's two scenarios. The bullish scenario is we push up into one, we pull back in a wave two. If we take a fib retracement from the low to the wave one high, you can see we pulled back to the 78.6% fib, and that's normal for a wave two. So we broke this trend line. So if we can hold, see continuation and break this local high, then we can see a straight breakout. Otherwise, it's just a bit of a fake out to the upside. We roll over and we end up breaking this low, and then we head down to our target zone and we fill that wick. So it all depends if we can push up and start to break this previous high, if we pull back a little bit first and then we bounce, or if we simply roll over and break that previous low. That will give us a signal of which way XRP is going to go. On the daily time frame, we're pushing right up into the 20 EMA, and that's where we got rejected. So it would also be crucial for XRP to get back above those daily EMAs if you are going to see that bounce to the upside, because if we get rejected by the EMAs, we roll over, and then we're more likely to fill that wick. So we'll see how it plays out for XRP. Once I do enter a trade, a signal will be given into the Discord. It's only $10 a month. You can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders dying for an exchange. And for my subscribers only, if you deposit $50 or more, you get a 20% bonus for however much you deposit. So if you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000 into your futures account, then you get $200. For my subscribers only, you can click the link down below. For that 14-day free trial to my signals as well. Otherwise, $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link for daily analysis for many coins, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, auto all plays, and Forex signals analysis. We're in a trade for gold. We've got our entry set up for silver, AUD, USD. We have a lot of trades for Forex. All links are in the comments down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.